Kim. I'm with 626 Ohana, California, and today I'm going to do the March unboxing for the Bibbidi box. This is the Ultimate Magic Bibbidi box, so I'm excited to see what's in store. It's the same box as I had last month, so I'm not going to show that again. This was $119, so let's get in. Alright, first of all, we have our little folder. Okay. They have the Farm Fresh Roses Chocolate Candy, open daily. Okay, so this has a little packing slip inside the little box folder, so we'll save that for later. Okay. Ooh, this month they moved to a black bag inside the box. So, this is kind of a nice, different design. Sometimes they come different themes, so. Alright, I'm excited to see what I got. Alright. Alright, I did ask for the Mickey bobsled for the 65th anniversary of Disneyland, so let's open that real quick. Just a little miniature character, he's cute. I mean, I love the Matterhorn. It's a very classic Disneyland ride. This is all the different characters on rides that you could get in this series. And it's a Funko Mini. Alright, so this is probably my small items. This is a little Mickey on his Matterhorn bobsled. Very cute. Okay. Try not to look. Okay, this month had Fragile on the outside of the shipping box, and I feel something heavy. Ooh, it's very heavy. Okay, so it's like a sign, I think. It says Ohana means family. This is perfect for us. I like it. Can you see very well in the lighting? And it's got, in the family, it's got like little Lilo, the little flowers, petals, or leaf pattern they have. That's perfect. Okay, I feel the big item. I'm trying not to go for the big item first. But I think we are. I think, is that it? Okay. I did ask for this on my wish list. So just so you know, every month, Bibbidi gives you a chance to open up a wish list. And this was my item on the wish list, as was the Mickey. So I asked, and I got the Disney Aristocats Piano Kittens Loungefly backpack. It's gorgeous. I love the pink. I love the piano little strap up here. That little detail. And there's no side pockets, but this is embroidered, so that's really nice. I didn't realize it was going to be embroidered up here. And inside, ooh, has all the decorative lighting. I'll show you on the big one so you can see. It's a really pretty pink too. Okay, oh, there's stuff inside. We'll get to that in a moment. Okay. There's something inside. Okay, so it's got this really pretty pink Aristocrat like music notes, like piano music notes with the little Aristocat Marie in it. So that's pretty inside. I really like it. There's a detailed pocket. And the back is plain, which is fine, except for these little straps have the piano pattern too. I like it. Simple. I like sometimes simple and pretty. So I love that. Okay, next up I have something wrapped. Feels like a mug. Oh, I think this was on my wish list too. It was. Okay. I forgot I put this on my wish list. So it's a Stitch with a Scrump little mug, and it says Ohana means family. So this is perfect for us. Just look how cute it is. I collect mugs, so I can never get enough of a little Disney magic in my mornings. So this is perfect. All right, let's see how much this was. So, okay, this box was curated with love by Brenda, Mama B. Thank you. The Stitch and Scrump Ohana means family 14-ounce ceramic mug was $14.99. So it's a good price for a Disney mug. I like it. That's gonna get a lot of use. Okay, so the Loungefly's Disney Aristocats Piano Kitties mini backpack was $75. So that's cute. I like. The Foothills Forge X Bibbidi exclusive custom laser engraved slate and arched wood charcuterie board. Ohana Means Family is $34.99. I still think these are kind of expensive for what it is. I don't know if I can use this for a charcuterie board, but I might kind of put this up as a sign instead. But it really is heavy. So that time I'm not disappointed. That kind of fits our like. So the Funko Minis Disneyland Resort 65th anniversary Mickey Mouse at the Matterhorn bobsleds was $7. So our value was $131.98 and I paid $119. So definitely came out ahead on this box and I'm pretty happy. Like I said, I'm not using it as a charcuterie board. Not the best, but this is like a cute, like, I'm gonna use this as a sign in our office. So that's perfect. So all in all, I'm happy. And I think we got a great value this time. And of course, if you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and follow along with our Ohana. And with that, I'm gonna say goodbye and find your magic. Bye, everyone.